Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about jacquard casting. By using this option, how you can get bigger repeat size by less ends per inch. Okay, in the last video I was explained about jacquard cast out, that is 168 jacquard ends per inch. You can, by using that jacquard, you can make 84 ends per inch also, and also 56 ends per inch, and also 112 ends per inch. As you required, you can ends per inch, you can make that end per inch by using of this cast out. Less than 168 ends per inch, you can cast out any number by casting out the jacquard. I am also giving that previous video link in the description. You can also see. Now in this video I am going to explain about how we get bigger repeats in the same hooks. This is very important because when we have 168 ends per inch or more than that, if you use only some half ends per inch, and remaining hooks are being empty. You can see my last video, you can get that point. Now what we can do is, here by giving empty hooks, we can also use that hooks and we can get bigger repeat size. I just explain you with calculator. Actually 1 minute. Okay, see, in the last video we was taken that total number of hooks jacquard is here 2688, and we also taken that 32 extension hooks. This is a cumberboard line. One line we have 16 hooks. So what we have to do is, in this we taken that like 1 to 144 hooks for selvage, and 145 for 2400 hooks for body, and then 45 to 144 hooks we taken again selvage. Okay, this is I explained last video. You can see that my video, you get a link in the description. So here 1 to 144 hooks. Okay, this in the last video we saw. Now this is 1 2 3 4 5 hooks up to 2400 hooks. This is our body of design. In 2400 hooks, our cumberboard of this jacquard is 168. So how many inches you get on fabric one repeat size? You just divide by total number of hooks divided by cumberboard. That means 168 ends per inch. You get 14.28 inches of design one repeat size. by using of same total number of hooks. Okay, if you cast out the jacquard in the same, you want to only just 84 ends per inch, you just what yesterday I also explained, you just what have to do is just applying this, you can get sorry, you can get uh, 84 ends per inch, but in the harness you just drawn ends every alternate end. Okay, okay, see this yesterday we see that 145 to like this, but for 84 ends per inch. Okay, you can see we taken total number of hooks per one repeat 1200. This means we just left one after one. That means we can take in here one end and other hook is empty. This hook we drawn with warp end. This hook is empty. And the size, how much size will we get in this also? See, you can see we have 1200 hooks only, but we divided off 84 ends per inch, so we get 14.28 inches of repeat for 84 ends per inch also. In the same ends per inch we are getting, but this is we are emptying the hook. This is we are not using this hook. But in the case if you want to only make 84 ends per inch of fabric, so you can also use this hook, by you can get bigger repeat like just double, because we have 1200 hooks are empty. We are using only 1200 hooks here. Another 1200 hooks are empty. If you want to use these hooks, you can get big design. Like if you use 2400 hooks divided by 84 ends per inch, 84 ends per inch, you can get at 28.57 inches repeat also, by just making up this loom file, and also you have to do as per that drawing also. So here you can see how we can make bigger repeat with the same jacquard. This is very important, this is very technical point, nobody can tell you. If you concentrate on this, you can make with the same jacquard, you can make 28.57 inches repeat also, but ends per inch will be less. That means 84 ends per inch you can take. Okay, this is how we make this loom file with same, all process are same, but we can change here. Like here it is coming 1 2 3 4 up to 1200. Every odd number is taking in this odd number, like 1 3 5 7, like this. Odd numbers are odd number of hooks are we are using in the jacquard. Now even number of hooks are empty. We can also use these. You get 28.57 inches repeat. How we can take that? See here, this is ending the repeat, and after this one will come joining the repeat. So here 1200 is ending. I can take here in the first, here I can take this hook number is as 1201, 1202, 1203. I will use total hooks but uneven order, not even order. If you take even order, you get only 14.28 inches repeat. If you take uneven order of cast out, you get 28.57 inches repeat. So how we make uneven order in the loom file, I will show you. So here what you have to do is 1 2 3, this will be same, and this empty hook I am using now with 1201, 1202, 1203 like that. So I can get these hooks alternate another repeat. Okay, you just go to manual layout and take here like this and just apply. You can see here it is 1200, 1 2, every odd number is 1 2 3 4, every even number is 1201, 2 3 4 5 like that. So in this case here you can see 2400, this is 1200, odd number of hooks will be 1200, even number of hooks will be 2400. That means what happened in the jacquard, you can see in the jacquard we left one after one of hook. So in the first repeat what you have to do, odd number of ends have to be taken in the harness, and then next repeat you have to draw the warp ends in the even number of hooks. Like that you can draw the ends entire width alternate. First repeat of the jacquard hooks you can draw warp ends in the odd number of ends, and in the next repeat you can draw warp ends in the even number of the hooks. So you get that both repeats will matching, and you get just double the width of the repeat. I think this you have understand. This is very important when you want to make bigger designs in the same jacquard, jumbo designs in the jacquard. This is very helpful. I think this is very helpful to you. I think this is very important and very technical. This is, if you make any mistake, entire drawing will be wrong, and if you get confused, any confusions, you just send me comments. I will reply for that. If you want to any more information, please send comments. I think you have understand this video about all clear, I think. So please share this your friends and subscribe my channel and like this video. This is for just for supporting to me, then I can make more videos. If you want to anything you want to make, you can also send me comments. I will try to make on that also. Thank you so much.